Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new chocolate review. And the chocolate that we are going to review in this video is the new Nestle Munch Nuts. So this is a new chocolate from Nestle Munch, which is Nestle Munch Nuts. The last time we had reviewed the Nestle Munch Fruito Nuts, which had a combination of pomegranate and almonds in it. So today we are going to review the new Nestle Munch Nuts, which has peanuts in it. So this is the packaging we can see here. This is new Nestle Munch Nuts. So let's get down to the review of the product. Let's start with the packaging of the product. The packaging looks similar to the new Nestle Munch Fruito Nuts. The packaging looks similar. The only difference here is it had hints of red to it because of the pomegranate in it. Here they have used pure yellow and purple color in it, and they have shown the illustration of the new Nestle Munch along with peanuts on it. So you can see it has an illustration of the peanuts on it, and there's a Nestle branding right on top here. You can see the Nestle branding and the Munch branding here right across the bar. There's a Munch Nuts branding. Moving on, they have given that 1 bar is equal to 78 kcals, which is 4% of your RDA requirement of energy. So what this provides. Moving on, they have mentioned here what is this chocolate about. It is a delicious coated wafer, peanut creme and crunchy peanut bits. So there is wafer, there's peanut cream in it. So I guess peanut cream will be like peanut butter, and it has crunchy peanut bits in it, and it is all coated with chocolate. So seems very interesting. Feel like it's a version of kind of a version of the Snicker with some biscuit in it, wafer in it. Sorry, not the biscuit, but the wafer in it. So coming to the back side of the packaging, here they have mentioned the ingredients of the chocolate. Here is a pure vegetarian sign. That is a pure vegetarian product. The net weight of the chocolate bar is 32 grams. And it is priced at rupees 20. MRP is rupees 20. The shelf life is 9 months from packaging. The shelf life of the chocolate is 9 months from packaging, and that is the information given here. Moving on, they have given the nutritional facts here, and the feedback number and the email ID mentioned here. New look, same great taste. That is what is written here. So it has a new look, but the taste is the same amazing Munch taste. So I can't wait to open this product because I'm a big fan of the peanut chocolates like Snickers and 5-star Fuse, Cadbury Fuse. I really like the Cadbury Fuse. I like the Snickers. I like the Cadbury Fuse. So I'm just waiting to open the new Nestle Munch Nuts right now because I'm having a feeling it will be same amazing taste like the Cadbury Fuse and the Snickers. So let's go. Here we go. We are going to open the packet right now. So here we have unwrapped the chocolate, and inside this we get 2 pieces. The bar is divided into 2 pieces here. So we have 2 pieces of the Nestle Munch Nuts. You can see, and it is completely covered in peanuts. Like it's loaded with peanuts on top. So you can see. So this is the new Nestle Munch Nuts. What we're going to do right now is we are going to do a taste test and see how good this chocolate is. But before that, let me just break it into half and show you what is inside. So here you can see inside the new Nestle Munch, you can see that there's a layer of chocolate. Then there are peanut bits inside. Then there are 3 wafers inside, 3 wafers here with a layer of peanut cream on it. And then again a chocolate layer below. So this is what the chocolate new Nestle Munch Nuts is all about. So let's go ahead and do a taste test. taste of chocolate is pretty decent. The taste is similar to the original Munch. There's a wafer crunch to it, and along with the wafer crunch, there's a crunch of the tiny peanut bits in it. But I feel unlike the Cadbury Fuse and the Snickers, the bits of peanuts are like smaller in size, so you are not actually getting that crunch or the peanut from it. But there's a good peanut flavor to it. The peanut cream is giving a good peanut flavor to it. The peanut bits are giving a bit of a crunch, not as much as the Cadbury Fuse or the Snickers. But overall, it was a good experience with this chocolate. It had a different approach to it. It had a biscuit inside. Biscuit, as I mean, is the wafer inside, which had its own unique crunchiness to it. So overall, I like the Nestle Munch Nuts. I would rate it a 3 on 5. Not very extravagant in flavor, but better than the original Munch. So better than just having the original Munch, which is chocolate and wafer. You should definitely try the new Nestle Munch Nuts. If you are a fan of nuts and chocolates, then you should go ahead and try the new Nestle Munch Nuts. So guys, this was my review about the new Nestle Munch Nuts. If you all have liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing chocolate reviews.